I think ASAFE has given me interesting projects to work on. I think what's fantastic is that they're always looking to push the boundaries technically. So that means that in research we get really interesting things to work on and no idea is out of bounds. So it's allowed me and the rest of the team plenty of freedom to explore new ideas. My name is Eleanor Merson and I am the head of testing and research. So I started as a research project manager with ASAFE and I realised quite quickly that I liked the research bit a lot more than I liked the project management bit. So now I've moved to become the head of research and testing here at ASAFE. I think two things that I like best about working at ASAFE. One is that we make products that are really making a difference to people. And the other is the people that I work with are all absolutely fantastic and it's a really nice team atmosphere. Becoming a chartered engineer and then a fellow of the Engineering Institute is probably the biggest achievement for me, because that's when the other people who are leaders in engineering look at you and say, does she measure up? Is she as good as the best of us? And to be told yes was fantastic. So I am a Rotarian. I am president of my local Rotary Club and I spend a lot of my time raising money for charities both in the local area and around the world. I'm also a Chinese brush painter and a handbell ringer, so nothing remotely normal. Bright, but I've no idea what it will look like, because ASAFE is always surprising. We're always going to have new materials, new products and new ways of making them, and that's just going to keep making the products better and better. But what products they'll be, I don't know yet.